In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Strava is temporarily unavailable. Please try again later error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are using Strava app and you are constantly getting this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to try and fix this. To get started, first you need to go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, look for this option called apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. Tap on it to list all the apps on your smartphone. From this, search for your app by name, tap on it to open, and here first go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data, clear cache, and OK, and finally clear all data. Then restart your Strava app, and once it has restarted, turn on your data or internet and make sure you're not using any VPN app. If you have any VPN app or any recently installed security app, turn it off or uninstall it temporarily to see if this fixes your problem. However, if this does not fix your problem, then you need to go and look for any update for your app through Google Play Store or App Store. Search for your app and update it to the latest version. Now at this point, everything should be okay and running without any issue. However, if your Strava app still encounters a challenge, then most likely Strava might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. And now if you try to log into your Strava app, now it should be working without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.